you get 67% discount from Hostinger. You can also see that the extra 20% discount is already applied. Here you can clearly see free domain and extra 2 months for free hosting. You will see the domain is completely free. Now click. First of all, click the link in the description. After clicking, a new screen will open in front of you. From here, click on services, then select agency hosting. Now click on claim plan. Here you will see 3 packages: starter, professional and growth. Right now the starter plan is open, but you can choose any plan based on your needs. No matter which plan you select, you get 67% discount from Hostinger plus 20% extra discount because you are using my link. Now click on choose plan. Here select how many months you want to buy the hosting for. I recommended selecting minimum 12 months because the price becomes much cheaper. You get better long-term value. You can also see that the extra 20% discount is already applied. Here you can clearly see free domain and extra 2 months for free hosting. Let's claim the domain now. In the search box, type your desired domain name. For example, I search acnary.com. If the domain is available, it will show instantly, and yes, it's 100% free for 1 year. Click to select it. You may see a price here, but don't worry, that's because the period is set to 2 years. Once we change it to 1 year, you will see the domain is completely free. Now click on continue. Here enter your Gmail address, create a strong password and click on create account. Next, enter your payment details and complete the payment. After payment confirmation, you will be automatically redirected to the Hostinger dashboard. If not, simply logged in manually. That's it. Your agency hosting, free domain and all discounts are now activated. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.